4 months after showcasing its Boeing 787 at the Farnborough Air Show, Qatar Airways has finally brought home its first Dreamliner. The aircraft is one of 3 formally delivered to the airline this year. The other 2 are at Boeing's Victorville facility in California for in-flight connectivity retrofits. The airline expects to take delivery of 5 787s by the end of this year. Qatar's 787s are fitted with a new Android-operated controller provided by Thales.
So the first installation of Android software, we believe, in the IFE market as a whole, but certainly for Thales, is this year on a Qatar Airways 787. Qatar Airways was our development partner in designing and including the deployment of the Touch passenger media unit, which is the first IFE device to run the Android operating system.
The California-based firm has also provided the hardware to enable Qatar to be the first airline to offer wireless in-flight connectivity on a 787.
Today marks another milestone for us, the delivery of Qatar Airways' first 787 Dreamliner, the first of 29 more to come. And I'm proud to say that it's the first delivery of a Dreamliner to a Middle East airline.
Much has been said about the Dreamliner's entry into service, but ours will provide a game-changing experience with specially designed interiors, spacious cabins, and custom-made seats in both business and economy class.
Qatar's 787s are configured with 232 seats in economy class and 22 in business. The airline has done away with first class on its new aircraft, saying that its business offering is on par with first class. Qatar will deploy this 787 on routes within the Middle East before operating a regular service from Doha to London's Heathrow in December.
The national carrier of my beloved country, Qatar Airways, is cherishing this moment.